Easy air fryer donuts. Just need a can of biscuits, 2 tablespoons of butter, cinnamon, sugar, and an air fryer. Here we go. Oh, and let the kiddos pop the can. They love it. Open your biscuits, lay them all out, and then get the cap to any bottle. It can be a water bottle, soda bottle, or I use the cap to my avocado oil. Put it in the center of your biscuit to make your donut hole. You're going to have to push hard to get the hole to come all the way out. Then you're ready to air fry. Air fry at 360 for 5 minutes. Flip them halfway through if your air fryer doesn't circulate air and cook evenly. 5 minutes they're done and you're ready to put your toppings on. Melt the butter while the air fryer is on, and then once they're done, coat one side of them in butter and then dip in either sugar, powdered sugar, and or cinnamon, and your donuts are ready to enjoy. All right, how are they? Sort of good, kind of good, really good.
The best.
If you try them, share it and tag me so I see how it goes. Thanks for watching.